Hello guys, Mr. Zabis here. Today I'll show you how make all the folders in your user directory to lowercase. This is what I like because currently I have them like capitalized, but I don't like that. Just my preference, and if you share the same, so you need to open a file in a config directory called user directory like this, and yeah, now we can see the variables we can change. So I'd like to use all lowercase. So let's have it for desktop. Downloads, templates, link, documents, music, pictures, and videos. And that's cool. And now we can rename the directories, move. And the last one, videos. Okay, I've changed those, and oh no, the very last one will be desktop, but let's see. Desktop. Okay, it's created a new one actually, because currently the desktop folder is in use. So now I have to reboot. Well, let's start the. I can just reboot the entire system. Doesn't really matter much. Okay, I'm back. And let's see what we have. Yeah, we still have like just old desktop directory we don't need anymore. So now they're all lowercase. That's how I like it. See ya.